comprehend 嘅。咁同樣，我想讚天寶文嘅校長啦，就係亦都可以成功令到 SB 即係令到即係有效去成為你哋嘅結盟。咁我知時間有限，咁就你唔需要答啊，係啊，咁即係我諗係即係 show appreciation。咁我有個問題就想問下 Jennifer 嘅。I would like to ask Jennifer about a question on the adoption of CRPD and also SDG. Sorry. Yes. Okay. I appreciate your work very much. I'm from the Hong Kong Society for Reputation. My background is social worker and also friends of the Full Hong Society. Because we work on the social inclusion and we understand that for CRPD, that is the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability, emphasizes a lot on the rights and participation. And what we are looking for, the WHO SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals. Can you explain a little bit how you and your project integrate all these convention and concepts into the practice?
Yes, definitely. We definitely take that agreement and the UN Sustainable Development Goals into mind when we designed our programs, and we are making changes every day. We are exploring ways to measure our impact specifically related to those goals. We've been exploring some platform options. One is a company named WeLever who works with nonprofits to measure their actual impact, and they have algorithms developed to align it to the Sustainable Development Goals. So Best Buddies is definitely international, and we hope in every country, definitely aligned with this convention as it's the base of what we're doing. And in regards to these goals that now we have as all of the United Nations, we are definitely striving to reach the specific ones that we are touching, and working on impact measurement to really measure how much what are we doing exactly, and what specific goals are they impacting, and what is that overall picture. So, yes, it's very important to us, and it's really integrated into what we're doing. Thank you.
好，今日新聞嘅內容非常之豐富啦，好多謝晒台下咁多位觀眾嘅踴躍發問啦，同埋而家先請各位講者到台下就座嘅。研討會嘅環節圓滿結束，而家將個時間交翻俾司儀。